DigitalBix fashions. A t-shirt is an item that has come a long way in terms of its transition. It has evolved from being an undergarment in the 19th century to an essentially casual piece. They are now an integral part of one's wardrobe. Here is the list of 5 best men's t-shirt brands in India. Number 1, UCB. United Colors of Benetton is an Italian global fashion house. The brand is youthful and that makes it one of the world's best men's t-shirt brands. UCB brings a stellar range of trendy products. Number 2, Levi's. Levi's is an American clothing company founded back in 1853. The brand redefined the fashion industry with its unmatched denim. Another standout from this brand is its range of t-shirts. Number 3, Tommy Hilfiger. One of the most famous polo t-shirt brands is Tommy Hilfiger. It is an American brand that sells premium apparel, footwear and accessories since 1985. Encompassing the widest range of t-shirt options, you can pick from preppy prints, casual cuts and even formal necks. Number 4, US Polo ASSN. US Polo ASSN offers understated yet elegant apparel across the globe, standing tall amongst our t-shirt brands list. It promotes the sport of polo with its merchandise. Number 5, Fila. Fila is an Italian South Korean sporting goods company founded in 1911. Primarily known for its sports apparel, Fila has grown tremendously in terms of its design. It now falls under casual wear too. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.